Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Rozier from Richmond City Public Schools, and I'm going to do a unique learning lesson with you from the middle grade band, and it will be lesson number 19C from math. All right, and it is the flower garden, and we are still doing DNA. So the first words, and we're going to go over our topic words, our math literacy words, and our learning goal is what your job is to do is to learn how to solve a problem using multiplication and divide to solve a problem also. The first word is DNA, DNA, and it's the chemical basis of what you are made of. And what do we say DNA stands for? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. All right, and that's where we get the letters DNA. And they're going to be working in the garden, so they're going to what? Plant. So plant can be a verb and could be a noun. You're going to plant. So you're going to put the seeds in the ground, and what you grow plants. All right, very good. And also with DNA, we are what? We get our traits from our parents, either our mother or our father. Okay, and traits what? Makes us look different from others. The color of our hair, the color of our eyes. Okay, so now we're going to go over our math literacy words. The first word is square. A product multiplied by itself. Squared. And the example of that would be 2 times 2 equals 4. So 2 squared. Okay, to multiply is to find the product or increased in number. This word is what? Plus sign. What does that mean? To add. That's right. In this one, divide. You're going to separate into 2 or more parts. That means divide. And then when you get your answer for your problems, you have solved it. Get an answer. It's a solution. And when we are adding, what do we do? It is you all together, all of it, all together. And then more amounted to a large number. More. And we talk about it, integers. Positive is greater than 0. We have a negative, less than 0. Count is name the numbers consecutively 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And equal, mathematically equal or the same. What is the end? What is the answer? We use this to give us the answer. But equal means the same. To solve us also means to get the answer. And math positive negative. Greater than 0. Negative is less than 0. Alrighty, so let's get started. So we're going to start with the multiplication first. And we're going to solve some problems. We're going to talk about it. We're going to use a calculator. Alrighty, so we're going to hide that and then get smaller. Alrighty, so Brent is planting seeds into holes in the school flower garden. There are 3 holes. He plants 5 seeds into each hole. How many seeds are there altogether? So we have 3 times 5. What is 3 times 5? Do you all know? Okay, yes, it is 15. Very good. And if you didn't know, let's go. Let's see if we can solve that. Alrighty, so there are 3 holes and 5 seeds in each hole. So let's put 5 seeds in each hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Let's do the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So 3 sets of 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to a double digit. And now with the double digits, we're going to use our calculator. Mary Beth is planting flowers into rows in the school flower garden. There are 21 rows. She puts 34 flowers in each row. How many flowers are there all together? So we have 21 rows, 34 flowers. The number of rows are 21, and the number of flowers in each row is 34. So we'll use our calculator and we're going to solve it that way. Okay, so we'll put the top number in, 21. And what are we doing? Are we adding or dividing or multiplying? We are multiplying. So which one are you going to use? The one with the 2 dots or the one with the X? The X times, what's the number? 34. And then to solve it and get your answer is the 2 lines, the equal sign. Okay, and we have what? 714. Let's put that number in. Let me show 714. Okay, we didn't say 714. We said 714. Very good. You all are doing a great job. Okay, now let's go on with some division. Now with division, when we use our calculator, we're going to use this button, the button with the 2 dots on it. The button with the 2 dots on it, right there. The button with the 2 dots on it. So Danielle is putting an equal number of shovels in each flower bed. There are 18 shovels altogether. There are 3 flower beds. How many shovels go into each flower bed? Does anyone know 3 divided by 18? If you do, shout it out. Okay, good job. It's what? 6. Very good. Now, if you didn't know, we're going to see. Let's see. Now, she has 18 shovels and 3 holes. So let's keep putting a shovel in each hole until we run out of shovels. Let's keep doing it. Let's see. So we knew it from the first one, but let's work it out. So if you don't know, you draw your pictures. You get your 3 holes and then you just keep counting until you finish with all of the shovels. Putting all your items in each hole. And we're done. So let's count what's in each hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 3 times 18 divided by 3 is what? It is 6. Very good. All righty. Let's keep going. Let's try this one. Oh, did I flip back to it? Yep, I did. All righty. Let's see. So we have Brent is planting an equal number of seeds into holes. There are 20 seeds altogether. There are 5 holes. How many seeds go in each hole? So what do we have to do? So we have to put 1 in each hole until we are out of seeds. So we put 1 here, there. Let's keep going, keep going. Let's keep going. One there, and one there, one there. All right, let's keep going. And sometimes you have to draw your picture, show your work. This is one way of showing your work. When you work it out, you can draw what's needed, and then you can just put a tally mark in it, or you can use X's right here, or you can use beans or whatever you have. Now we're out. All right, we're out of seeds. So how many seeds do we put in each hole? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times. So 5 times 4 equals, well, we're doing division, so 20 seeds divided by 5 holes is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what we put there. 4. Very good. All right, let's keep going. We have so much to learn. Let's go down again. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go over square numbers. See, we have the equation symbols there, a squared. So a times a equals a squared. When you multiply a whole number by itself, the product is square number. For example, so 2 times 2 equals 4, and 4 is a square number. They are called square numbers because they make a square shape. We have 2 here, 2, then that's a square. Then we have 3 going this way and 3 rows, 3 columns of 3 rows, just like we would do arrays. So any whole number times any whole number, and the whole number squared. So 2 times 2 can be written as 2 squared. 2 squared is pronounced 2 squared. Since 2 times 2 equals 4, then 2 squared equals 4. Same with 3. 3 times 3 can be written as 3 squared. 3 squared is pronounced 3 squared. Since 3 times 3 equals 9, then 3 squared equals 9. All right, let's work that one out. Let's see. So Brent is planting flowers into flower beds. There is enough room for 4 rows of flowers. He can get 4 flowers in each row. How many flowers does he fit in the flower bed? So how many rows of flowers? What did he have? 4. Now, how many flowers in each row? There was 4. Okay, so now 4 times 4, does anyone know? Does anyone know? All right, let's work it out. Make this just a little bit bigger for me to see. Okay, so let's work it out. So we're going to start with, it says check your work. So we're going to use this to get the answer, okay? So we say 4 times 4 was what? 16. Now, let's see. We're going to start with this row, and we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 4 in each row. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's keep going. And then we're going to continue. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we say the number is 16, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we clicked on the squares and we have a total of what? Is it a square shape? It says, is the total number of squares equal to the answer of the problem? Yes. All right. Is the shape a square? Uh-huh. So blank is a square number. So what would be the square number? 16 is the square number. So now that we know 4 squared equals what? 16. All righty. Very good. Mm-hmm. So 4 squared, just like we have 3 squares, a 4 squared equals to 16. So now we have done all of that. We've done our multiplication. We've solved problems using division. And we have been exposed to squares, square numbers. Alrighty, let's keep learning, let's keep adding, and let's keep reading because you all are unique learners. And until next time, bye bye for now. You all are awesome.